Hey, how's it going? This is Matthew Ashton for MUX1402. This is my week 3 review video. This is all about our field testing results from our prototype number 2. As you can see, I got my app running here, and I got my results. What I did, very similar to last week, went to a local bar that plays soccer games. Manchester United happened to be playing today, so it worked out perfectly, so I got to actually chat with some Manchester United fans about it. Went there, like I said, got a lot of feedback. Used my iPad to record all the data that I had built here in this number spreadsheet, and then I came home, compiled it all, and yeah, now I'm presenting it to you guys. So as you can see, I do have all my different things checked off, my commenter notes, and then I have again graphs that show the different results for everything, the different questions. So feedback in terms of how it went and everything. So positive feedback. Everyone really liked the soccer field graphic here in the background. That's something that I added from prototype 1. I really like it as well. I think it looks really good. So really love that. Also the web view here. So when I go and click on the match report, now it actually loads properly. And then you can also pinch to zoom, which is something that it could not do last time. So I got a lot of good positive feedback regarding that. And also the overall just branding and colors, like I said, everything worked out really well. So the biggest piece of feedback that I got, very consistent, just about every single person mentioned it, and I can't believe I didn't even notice it when I went ahead and added this from last time. So as you can see down here where it says next game in a little notepad, I have nothing to indicate that you actually should click on that to bring up this next view. Every single person mentioned it. Can't believe I didn't even notice it. So that's definitely something that I'm going to fix before I submit for next week. And then also one of the surprising feedbacks was that there's inconsistent graphics. So as you can see here, I got this nice little clipboard graphic, but on here, it's a notepad. So someone pointed that out, totally called me out on it. So that's definitely also something that I'm going to fix. So a couple of things that also kind of caught me off guard in terms of surprising. Some people wanted the betting line for the next game. So I thought that that was definitely something interesting that I hadn't even thought about in terms of like what the over/under was, or who the favorite was. So I thought that that was definitely interesting. Not sure if I'm going to do that, but I thought it was some good feedback. Um, this time around, not that many people wanted like social media being able to like tweet the score or something like that. Um, but it's definitely something I'm still thinking about. However, I did get a nice suggestion saying that I should possibly get Instagram photos from the game. So I may do that under the match report. So the match report was also one of the other ones that had the most feedback. So instead of doing just the web view, I was given some feedback that I should try and put more stats up. So I may do a quick table with some stats and then the web view. Um, and then the other main one was also in regards to the upcoming games. Once people actually found it, they want the actual competition. So Manchester United playing lots of different competitions, so they would like to know, is it the Premier League, is it the Champions League? So I thought that that was some great feedback that I'm definitely going to add. So overall, again, pretty positive. A lot of people again like the branding, like the overall layout. It's just now I just got to fine tune things, calling me out on the graphics, and then also this navigation here. Like I said, totally caught me off guard, but I absolutely see it now. So it's definitely something that I'm going to be fixing. Again, the match report worked out pretty well, but yeah, just got to add some stuff to it. Like I said, stats was another main one, as well as I may have a couple different options for the match report, not just the one from Manchester United. So yeah, so that's it. Again, I got a lot of really good feedback this week. Overall, everything very positive. Now I just got to fine tune everything and submit for next week. So again, yeah, this is Matthew Ashton for MUX1402. And this is my field testing results for my prototype number 2. Again, everything went pretty well. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. Manchester United won, so that also helped. And yeah, got to talk to a lot of great soccer fans, and like I said, got some good feedback. So yeah, see you guys next week.